February 6, 2017, 1:30 p.m. at 2026, Unit 81 Harvest, padlock renovation. So the front screen door is broken at the hinges. Needs to be repaired. And torn outside window screen in the closet needs to be removed. And several stains in the carpets along with wear marks. Stains may come up. It needs to be checked out. Large touch up, several black markings and nails and nail holes in the walls. Almost all the trim will need to be painted, and several doors, door cases need to be painted as well. Color soft tint. Broken patio blind needs to be replaced. Several small cuts in the kitchen window needs to be checked out. Side panel to kitchen countertop is broken. It's got a missing piece. Needs to be repaired. All the appliances need to be cleaned. Place 1 big, 3 small drip pans, Kenmore, or a hot point stove. Recalk kitchen backsplash. You got yellow stain in the ceiling in the kitchen. May need to be painted. Needs to be checked out. Balcony. So that's a burn mark. It's got holes in it. Doors need to be replaced. And the doors gonna need to be painted. Missing dryer duct. Also got stains in the laundry area linoleum. It may not come up. It needs to be checked out. Missing sink stopper. It needs to be replaced. Recalk the toilet and bathtub. Toilet seat is loose. It needs to be repaired. Shower has a shower head. Toilet paper holder missing. It needs to be replaced. More wear marks on the carpets. More stains. More markings on the walls. Another broken blind. Needs to be replaced. And that's about it.